In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 Lexus ES350 LED headlight. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. With the front lens removed, there is a wire connector connecting the main housing to the LEDs on the front lens. Simply release the clip and disconnect the wire connector. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the front lens as well as the LED for the daytime running light. I will begin by removing all of the Phillips head screws holding the bezels in place. I've removed all of the screws holding on the front bezel. In order to release the LEDs, we need to first release this wire clip. With that wire harness clip removed, we now have access to pull forward the LED daytime running light unit. There is a metal bracket here that you can simply slide off after you've removed all of the screws. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding on the reflector to the LED circuit board. The LED circuit board is now free from the light. Next, I will release the wire clip for the ballast. Now I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the ballast in place. The ballast is now free. Next, on the rear of the light, I need to loosen the 2 adjusting bolts. First, I will remove this black plastic cap. Next, I will turn both of the 5/16 adjusting bolts to the left as far as they will go. With the 2 adjusting bolts turned all the way to the left, there is 1 clip left holding this in place down here on the bottom. I'm going to use my needle nose pliers to reach in and release the clip holding the bracket in place. With the bottom mounting tab released, we can now pull the projector housing out of the light. We need to disconnect this wire harness from the bottom of the bracket. Next, I will pull the wires free . And I will push these rubber grommets down through the bottom of the light. Finally, there is 1 Phillips head screw holding on this bracket with the 2 wire harness connectors. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding on the high beam reflector. Next, I will remove this Phillips head screw holding on the bottom bracket for the projector. With this Phillips head screw removed, we want to slide this bracket forward and down. This will release the bottom of the projector. Next, on the top of the projector is this metal clip. We simply need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry this out of place. With this top retaining clip removed, we can now pull the projector forward and out of the bracket. There is a clip holding the wire harness for the projector to the bracket. The projector is now free from the housing. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding the bezel to the projector. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding on the main projector over the LED drive unit. With the 4 Phillips head screws removed, as well as this black plastic bracket, we can simply slide off the reflector part of the projector. Here are the components of the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.